In today's digital age, the heartbeat of any business is its online presence. If you're a local shop or a service provider, having a website is not just a luxury, it's a necessity.
Hi there. I used to think a website was too much for my small business. A website opens up a whole new world of opportunities. It's not just about selling online, it's about being visible to your customers 24/7.
From showcasing your products to providing essential information, your website is your digital storefront.
And guess what? It's not as complicated as it sounds. I just found the right experts for me.
NurtureU Technologies, my one-stop solution to all my IT needs, including website design and development. They handle everything website-related for you, so you can focus on what you do best.
Believe me, a website has been a game changer for my business.